Hi everyone, Angela here. To make this really easy produce bag, I'm just using some polyester curtain fabric. This netting is lightweight and sheer, and it doesn't fray, so we don't need to worry about serging the edges or stitching French seams. You can make these in any size and use different types of mesh fabric. Cut out a piece 25 inches or 63.5 centimeters wide by 17 inches or 43 centimeters long. Fold in half, matching the side edges, then mark an inch down from the top. From there, mark another 3/4 of an inch. Then clip all around if you need to. I'm using a Brother NV50S sewing machine. The link for this and the tools I use are in the description below. Make sure to use coupon code NOTCHES NV50S for the special offer. Start with the back tack, stitch to the first mark, back tack, skip over to the second mark, back tack, and then continue stitching. Use a 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter seam allowance. Quarter of an inch from the edge, have your needle down, lift your foot and pivot. Back tack at the fold and then trim all the threads. Remove the flatbed attachment and place the bag onto the free arm. Open the seam, and right at the top of the opening, fold the top of the bag over 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. Have the left side of the foot lined up with the edge of the fabric. If you have a magnetic edge guide, place it on the right beside the fold. Stitch all around the top, back tacking at the start and finish. If you're finding this video helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on all notifications, and also leave a comment below. With this method, you have a closed seam on the back with the opening on the front. Turn the bag right side out, and then you'll need some cording for the top. Here I'm using about 35 inches or 89 centimeters of nylon trim. Use a bodkin or a safety pin to thread it through the top. If you have one of these cord pullers, just squeeze the top, thread both ends in, and tie a knot. Trim the ends and you've got a great reusable bag. Be sure to watch my new tutorial coming out soon for a fancier cotton produce bag. Thanks again for watching, take care, and happy sewing!